Yo, what is up everybody? It's your man Youssef Business. Welcome back to the channel. We're diving into the top 10 tourist cities you have to visit on your next adventure. Smash that subscribe button to stay in the loop for all things travel. All right, let's do this thing. They say, to travel is to live, and nowhere rings truer than in Paris. Paris, the city of lights, the city of love. Walking those cobblestone streets with the smell of fresh croissants in the air and the Eiffel Tower piercing the sky, it's magical. First things first, hit up the Louvre, but don't get too caught up in the Mona Lisa. Take a moment, look around, soak in the sheer scale of it all. Then, grab a bike, feel the wind in your hair as you cruise along the Seine. Trust me, it's the best way to see the city. Speaking of the Seine, you have to take a nighttime boat tour. The city lights reflecting off the water, the bridges, the architecture, it's like something out of a dream. No trip to Paris is complete without a food coma-inducing pastry binge. Indulge in the croissants, the macarons, the pain au chocolat. You won't regret it. For all my history buffs out there, don't miss the Arc de Triomphe. The energy, the history, the view from the top. It's powerful stuff. And if you're looking for that Instagram-worthy shot, head straight to Montmartre. The Sacré-Cœur Basilica is stunning, and the view over the city is just chef's kiss. Paris, it's a city that stays with you. It's a feeling, an energy, a constant reminder that the world is a beautiful, delicious, awe-inspiring place. Next up, we're heading east to the neon-drenched, futuristic metropolis that is Tokyo, Japan. Buckle up, because this city is a sensory overload in the best way possible. My advice? Springtime, my friend. Cherry blossom season. The whole city transforms into this magical pink wonderland. First on the agenda, Shibuya Crossing. Imagine Times Square on steroids. Then, lose yourself in the back streets of Shinjuku, a maze of neon lights, tiny bars, and some of the best ramen you'll ever taste. For a dose of culture, head to the Sensoji Temple, the oldest temple in Tokyo. Take a moment to soak in the peaceful atmosphere, light some incense, and maybe even get your fortune told. And if you're looking for a truly unique experience, check out a robot restaurant show. It's weird, it's wild, it's 100% Tokyo. Tokyo can be overwhelming, so pace yourself. Don't try to do everything at once. Even a simple konnichiwa can go a long way. Tokyo is a city that constantly pushes boundaries, where ancient traditions meet cutting-edge technology. Let's hop back over to the good old US of A and land in the concrete jungle, the city that never sleeps, New York City. First things first, you gotta do the classics. Times Square at night, all those lights, the billboards, the sheer chaos of it all. It's an experience. Then, hop on the Staten Island ferry, get yourself a front row seat, and soak in that iconic view of the Statue of Liberty. No trip to New York is complete without a walk across the Brooklyn Bridge. Trust me, the view of the Manhattan skyline is worth every step. And speaking of views, head up to the top of the rock for an epic panorama of the city. Let's talk food. New York is a melting pot of cultures, and that means one thing: incredible food. Grab a slice of pizza, devour a bagel with a schmear, indulge in some world-class street food. The options are endless. New York is a city that's constantly evolving, reinventing itself, always on the move. Chapter 4: Rome, a timeless classic. From the New World, let's journey back to the Old World, to the heart of history, to Rome, Italy. This city, it's like stepping into a history book, with ancient ruins around every corner. The Colosseum is as impressive in person as it is in pictures. Imagine the gladiators, the roar of the crowd, the sheer scale of it all. Don't miss the Vatican City. The art, the architecture, the sheer opulence, it's unforgettable. You can't come to Rome and not indulge in some authentic Italian cuisine. We're talking pasta, pizza, gelato, but more importantly, you gotta try cacio e pepe. After all that food, take a stroll through the Trastevere neighborhood, a charming labyrinth of cobblestone streets. For that perfect Instagram shot, head to the Trevi Fountain, toss a coin in, make a wish. Rome is a city that will transport you through time, a place where history comes alive. It's a city that will capture your heart and leave you wanting more. Rome is a city that will transport you through time, a place where history comes alive. Chapter 5: Barcelona, where art meets architecture. Next up, we're heading to the vibrant, sun-drenched city of Barcelona, Spain. This city is a feast for the senses with its stunning architecture, delicious food, and lively atmosphere. No trip to Barcelona is complete without a visit to the Sagrada Familia. This masterpiece by Antoni Gaudí is truly a sight to behold. The intricate details, the sheer scale of it all, it's awe-inspiring. And speaking of Gaudí, make sure to check out Park Güell as well. It's like stepping into a whimsical fairy tale world. Barcelona is known for its vibrant art scene. Check out a flamenco show, get lost in the Picasso Museum, or simply wander the streets and soak in the street art. La Rambla is a must-visit. It's a bustling pedestrian street filled with street performers, flower stalls, and cafes. For a truly unique experience, head to La Boqueria Market. It's a feast for the senses. If you're looking for a taste of local life, head to the Gracia neighborhood. Barcelona is a city that will ignite your senses, a place where art meets architecture and culture thrives. It's a city that will stay with you long after you've left. Chapter 6. Sydney Sun, Sand, and Adventure Down Under. Let's hop on a plane and head down under to the land of sunshine, beaches, and adventure, Sydney, Australia. First things first, you gotta do the iconic Sydney Harbour Bridge climb. Trust me, the view from the top is worth every step. And speaking of views, don't miss a visit to the Sydney Opera House. Sydney is famous for its stunning beaches, and Bondi Beach is the most famous of them all. Whether you're a surfer, a sunbather, or simply enjoy a good stroll along the sand, Bondi Beach has something for everyone. Manly Beach is another must-visit. Take the ferry across the harbor, enjoy the views, and relax on the golden sand. Sydney is a city that will captivate you with its natural beauty, its laid-back charm, and its adventurous spirit. It's a city that will leave you wanting to come back for more. Chapter 7. London, a royal affair with history. From the land down under, let's jet off to the land of kings and queens, to the historic city of London, England. This city, it's a blend of old and new, of tradition and modernity. First things first, you gotta do the classics. Buckingham Palace, the Tower of London, the Houses of Parliament. Don't miss a visit to the Churchill War Rooms. The tube is your best friend for getting around quickly. Consider taking a ride on a double-decker bus. For a dose of culture, head to the British Museum. Don't miss a show in the West End. London is a city that will transport you through time. Next up, we're heading to the vibrant, chaotic, and utterly unforgettable city of Bangkok, Thailand. This city is a sensory overload in the best way possible, with its bustling markets, delicious street food, and ornate temples. Bangkok is an incredibly affordable city to visit, making it perfect for budget-conscious travelers. First things first, you gotta visit the Grand Palace. It's a sprawling complex of ornate buildings, temples, and courtyards. Wat Arun, also known as the Temple of Dawn, is another must-visit. Its towering spires are decorated with colorful porcelain. Bangkok is a street food lover's paradise, with vendors selling everything from pad thai to mango sticky rice. Bangkok is a city that will awaken your senses, challenge your perceptions, and leave you with a newfound appreciation for the beauty of chaos. Bangkok is a city that will awaken your senses, challenge your perceptions, and leave you with a newfound appreciation for the beauty of chaos. From the bustling streets of Bangkok, let's journey to the southern tip of Africa, to the breathtakingly beautiful city of Cape Town, South Africa. This city is a nature lover's paradise, where towering mountains meet the sparkling ocean. First things first, you gotta visit Table Mountain. Take a cable car to the top and enjoy panoramic views of the city. Lion's Head is another must-visit. Hike to the top for incredible views of Table Mountain and the city below. Cape Town is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Camps Bay is a popular spot for swimming, sunbathing, and people watching. If you're feeling adventurous, head to Boulders Beach to see the colony of African penguins. Check out Kirstenbosch National Botanical Garden. It's located on the slopes of Table Mountain. Explore the Bo-Kaap neighborhood. It's a historic area with brightly colored houses and a rich cultural heritage. Cape Town is a city that will take your breath away with its natural beauty, its vibrant culture, and its spirit of adventure. It's a city that will stay with you long after you've left. And last but certainly not least, let's jet off to the dazzling, futuristic city of Dubai, UAE. This city is a testament to human ambition, with its towering skyscrapers, luxurious shopping malls, and over-the-top attractions. First things first, you gotta visit the Burj Khalifa. It's the tallest building in the world. Don't miss the Dubai Fountain Show. It's a spectacular display of water, music, and light. Dubai is a shopper's paradise, with high-end boutiques and designer labels galore. Head out to the desert for a dune-bashing adventure, or spend a day at Jumeirah Beach. Dubai is a city that will leave you in awe of its ambition, its luxury, and its unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's a city that embodies the idea that anything is possible if you dare to dream big. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 tourist cities you absolutely have to add to your travel bucket list. If you enjoyed this whirlwind adventure around the globe, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more travel inspiration. Get out there, explore it, embrace the unknown, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Safe travels, everyone, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.